Cannot wrap my head around the fact it's taken me this long to finally realize I'm fantastic. I used to write my little raps, they'd always look right past it like it's average.
Hey guys, ItzYoGyalCuTiE back in the house with another unboxing video, or like a Temu haul. So this is my first time shopping with them, and the first thing I did buy was, I believe it was this one or that one. And I just been shopping. I got addicted. Okay, that's a problem. And yeah. But we'll see. Let's check this out. We will be opening only 2 packages for today. This one and this small baby right here. Let's go. He said he wanted to open it for you guys. It was kind of wet inside. It was just a little bit. And it smelled like it was rained. Like a rain like poured inside of it. And these are what I got. So this is one of the freebies I got. I just needed to pay, I believe it was the shipping, I think. So this one and this one came together. And that's one. And then this one was a separate order, but it came together. Your girl got the portable blender. Okay. Easy to blend and drink as you go. Oh, something fell. I don't know. So these 2 came together actually. And you know, the promo, the first when you're a new user, you know, you get it for, you know, 0. And then, but the thing is you need to pay like the shipping, I believe. So yeah. So this is a massager, mini massager, and then the rest, this will be the bigger one. So I did get this awesome bracelet. Yes, it's so beautiful, baby. And this one is going to be so special because I've been wanting this for a long time and I found one on Temu. Oh my god. And they have different colors, but this is the one I always wanted, this color. And there's a secret pocket. There's a secret pocket in there. Last but not least, this baby right here, we're gonna open that one. OMG, right where I opened it too. Whoa. I don't know what else I ordered, but there's an empty one. So yeah. Here's this baby. It's so cute. I have the black one of this and also a beige one and a rainbow one, but I'm kind of sad because this came from Temu and it was small. They weren't really small. But still cute. And then we have this beautiful necklace. I haven't took out the, you know, the safety plastics on it. Call it the safety plastics, you know, to keep it clear. No scratches on these little pendants. So cute. So adorable. I'll definitely wear this because the size, the length is good. Alright, baby. Up next is this beautiful bracelet. Ooh. Reminds me of back home. Well, not my home, but you know. Actually, my family been there, you know. It's awesome. It's so beautiful. Let's go. Last but not least, I was looking for a camera bag. And this is what popped up. This ain't no camera bag. But it is so cute. Yeah, we do not support replicas, but I thought it was gonna be the one where you just put the, you know, the camera right there. This is not where the lens go. I literally thought it's the lens that goes there, but it's still cute, you know. But yeah, it looks awesome. It's adorable, and they did have different colors of it, but this was the only one that was available that time. And then I got, you know, reviewed it. Oh, you know, there's the black one. I was like, but I don't really need it, you know. Thank you. Come again. So I was looking for camera bags, and this is what popped out. Oh, no.